Here is how to add a purchase order number in Wave step by step. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the main navigation and go to Sales and Payments. This is the area where Wave keeps your sales activity, including invoices. After that section opens, click Invoices to move into your invoice list. From here, you can either create a new invoice or update one that already exists. If you are making a new invoice, select the option to create a new invoice and wait for the invoice screen to open. If the invoice is already in your list, open that invoice and then click Edit so the fields can be changed. The goal in both cases is to get to the editable invoice details page where you can enter the purchase order information. Once you are on the invoice form, look through the invoice details section for the field labeled PO says number. Depending on the layout of your screen, this field may appear near the main invoice information rather than inside the line items area, so it helps to focus on the top portion of the invoice details. When you find that field, click into it and type the customer's purchase order number exactly as it should appear on the invoice. After the purchase order number is entered, review the rest of the invoice details. Check the customer information, invoice date, due date, items, quantities, prices, taxes, and any notes that belong on the invoice. If you are creating a new invoice, complete any remaining fields that still need to be filled in. If you are editing an existing invoice, this is a good point to confirm that nothing else needs to be updated before saving. The purchase order number should now be included alongside the rest of the invoice information. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. This saves the invoice with the purchase order number attached. If Wave moves you to the next screen after saving, that is expected. The important part is that the invoice has now been updated with the value you entered in the PO/SO number field. If you need to confirm it, you can look over the saved invoice and check that the purchase order number appears where expected. That helps make sure the customer reference was added before the invoice is sent or recorded. If you opened an existing invoice to edit it, saving in this step updates that version with the new purchase order detail. If you created a new invoice, saving keeps that new invoice together with the rest of its completed information. Your Wave invoice is now saved with the purchase order number included.